ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಂತೀನಿ. ದೇಶಿನ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಬೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಫಾದರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಾಮೀನು ಅಂತ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The Hindu Karsevak Srikanth Poojari, who was arrested on December 29, 2023 in Hubli in a 31-year-old case related to Babri Masjid demolition, has got bail today. The first additional district sessions court of Hubli on Friday granted conditional bail to Poojari. The accused has been sent to judicial custody and the court delivered the verdict following the presentations of arguments. Advocates Sanjay Badaskar and Ashoka Anvekar argued for Poojari, while Amravati BN represented the government. Karnataka BJP had conducted statewide protests for over 2 days in Karnataka, demanding his release. They had even launched a Arrest Me Too, I'm a Karsevak campaign in protest against the Congress government. Reportage by Kalmesh Mandayala from Hubli. Subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.